Are you struggling to get noticed by recruiters despite having strong qualifications? The secret often lies in how well your CV matches the job description. Now, there's an easier way to get ahead. With my latest app, found at https://cv-spark-ai-04.lovable.app, you can customize your CV instantly for any job application. Here's how it works: simply upload your CV and job description into the app and it will automatically review JD and use keywords in your CV suitably without changing the facts. This means your CV will resonate with recruiters and pass through ATS, applicant tracking systems, increasing your chance of landing an interview. The app generates an editable CV for you to review, modify, and download, completely free. You don't need any complex software or expert knowledge, just a few clicks and your CV is tailored for the position you want. Whether you're applying for your first role or progressing in your career, CV Spark AI gives you the advantage you need. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more useful career tips and app updates. Your perfect job could be just a customized CV away.